Hi everyone, welcome to AsanteYoga. I'm Anastasia. Today I'll show you how to get into a side crow pose, Parsva as we call it in yoga. So let's do it. Before doing any arm balances, I suggest you guys warm up. Try these 3 poses. 1, a twist. Bring your knee in front of you and crossing the foot over your leg. Inhale, stretch up, bring your hand to the back to support yourself. And use the knee to push away with your elbow. Inhale, stretch up, and exhale, twist. This pose twists your back, stretches your back muscles and your hip muscles. And exhale, come out of it. Swap legs and do the same thing on the other side. Inhaling, coming up, supporting yourself, and exhaling, pushing away, going into a twist. And exhaling back. Beautiful. Number 2, chaturanga. Standing on your hands and toes, hip distance apart, shoulders on top of your wrists. Engage your core, and on the exhale, point your elbows back. Go halfway down. And on the inhale, come up. Try this 3 times. And exhale down. Inhale up. Great. And number 3, twisted lunge. Same way like you were in the plank pose before. Bring your foot in between your hands. 90-degree angle with your knee. Inhale, bring your hands to your chest, and on the exhale, twist to the side, stretching that hip muscle, pushing that back heel away. A couple of breaths here. And on the exhale, down. The same thing with the other side. Inhaling, coming up, twisting, again working on the flexibility of the hips. And on the exhale, coming out of it. And now you're ready to fly a crow. You're going to open your fingers wide. Again, shoulder distance apart. And twist to one of the sides. Now, when you bend your elbows, and again, they're pointing back, just like we did in chaturanga, you're going to put your knee, the side of your knee, onto the spot again between your elbow and your shoulder, right here. And the same thing, you're going on the same spot, you're going to put the soft spot on your bum. If you're just starting, try both points. So inhale, lean forward, place those points, and lift one foot up and down. Just practice this a couple of times. Lifting up, leaning forward, engaging the core. And exhale back. And when you're ready, try the full pose. Inhale again, open your fingers wide, position yourself. Inhale, lean forward, chest up, look forward, and bring both feet up in the air. In time, when you're ready, you can go further and even open the legs out. And coming out the same way. And that is it. You're done. Thanks for watching.